Hello students. So today we'll see how to find the root of equation by formula method. So this is called as formula method. So whenever we have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then its root is given by x is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Suppose delta is b square minus 4ac, we call it discriminant. So if delta is greater than 0, then roots are real, distinct and real. If delta is 0, roots are equal and real. And if delta is less than 0, roots are not real. Okay. So we'll solve example and then you will understand more precise. So let's see what they're asking in the question for exercise 4.4. Find the nature of the root first and then we have to find if the solution exists. Okay. So let us solve this equation, then you will understand 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So first of all we'll write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So see, you can see a is 2, b is minus 3 and c equal to 5. Okay, let us find delta. So b square minus 4 is c. What is this? So minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 and this is 5. So what you are getting? 9 minus, right now 8 5s are 40. So this is delta is minus 31, right? So what we are getting, basically b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So this system has no real root. So we'll write, therefore equation has no real solution, or you can say roots. Okay, so this is my first answer. Okay, so let's solve the next one, second question. See what is given second. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so first of all we'll compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what you will get? Comparing. So a is 3, you can see, b is minus 4 root 3 and c equal to 4. So let us find delta. So is b square minus 4ac. So minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3, c is 4. So what you will get? This is 16 plus 16 and 3, so 48 minus, what is this? 48. Hareva, this is 0. So delta is 0. So what you will write here? You can see roots are equal and real. So roots are equal and real. Now you can apply the formula method. So therefore by formula method, if I apply formula method, therefore by formula method, so x is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So what you will get? Minus b is as it is. So we are writing the value of b, plus minus this part is 0 upon 2a is 3, right now. So what you will get? 4 root 3 plus minus 0 upon, you can see this is 6. See, we are getting 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6 and 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. So we will get same thing. So x is 4 root 3 by 6, then 4 root 3 by 6, right now. And you can cancel, this is 2 2s are 2 3s are. Even you can cancel this part by, this is going to be root 3. So the answer is 2 root 3, 2 root 3. So these are the two roots. Okay, now let's see the next question. So what they are asking in the third question, see, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so comparing with a standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. So delta will find b square minus 4ac. Therefore this part, minus x square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3. So what you will get? 36. What is this? 8 3s are 24, right? So we will get 12, I think. So this is greater than 0, correct? Okay, so therefore roots are distinct and real. So therefore by formula method, now we'll apply formula method. So what is the formula? X is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that is minus b of, this is, you can see, minus 6 plus minus root of this part is 12 upon 2a. A is equal to 2. So this is 6 plus minus, see you can write this as, ठीक है ऐसे ही रखते हैं क्योंकि कुछ कैंसिल तो होगा नहीं आपका. So what you will get, x is 6 plus root 12 by 4 and x is 6 minus 12 by 4, right? आप इसको आगे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई. सी कैसा करेंगे, एक्स इज रूट सिक्स लिखो इसको, फिर ये रूट टू लिखो एंड दिस विल बी 4 रूट 6 आउटसाइड. विल गेट रूट 6 प्लस रूट 2 अपॉन 4. जाने दो, उसे अच्छा मत लिखो. ओके, सो thank you very much students. So if you are coming first time to the channel, so please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much students.